I started researching SMP about 10 years ago. The results I was finding didn't really appeal to me. I don't actually want my hair back. Years ago I saw, what looked to be botch or tattoo artists trying to do it and saying it was SMP, and I didn't like the results I found. About a year ago now, I started researching it again. I saw that, or what looked to be the technology had come further, artists were doing it differently, and looking more for, I think more people like me were looking for a natural look. I started seeing photos of myself from, weddings or other things, in more of a natural state, and I really could notice the shadow forming. I really started to see the shadow of my hairline, or what was left of my hairline, and I just hated the way I look. I felt like it made me look older. Added a bunch of years, and I couldn't take it anymore. I've never been a fan or even entertained the idea of having a hair transplant, and really I don't actually want my hair back. I just wanted a natural look that I could keep that, shaving my head or a really low tight buzz cut, and I just felt like SMP was what I've seen recently is the way to go.